Hello friends, it's Gary TV again. Okay, today we are here and we are going to talk about important parts. In short, I'm going to show you how to identify important parts in an ECU or an ECM. An ECU is an engine control unit or an engine control model. And number one is power supply. This is a power supply chip. Number two is central processing unit. This is a central processing unit chip. Number three is immobilizer chip. This is an immobilizer chip. Number four is RPM chip. The chip that show an RPM when you are accelerating the vehicle. This one is an RPM chip. Number five is throttle control chip. This one is a throttle control chip. Number six is nozzle or injector control chip. This one is an injector or nozzle control chip. Number seven is a transistor that control ignition coil. We have four transistors, 1, 2, 3, 4, that control ignition coil, or most of the people call shooting coils. Then number six is a chip that control or communicate with TCM or TCU. This chip is normally communicated with transmission control unit. After identifying that 8 important chips, we have the smaller ones. The smaller ones, be careful. These ones are capacitors. This is a capacitor, 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 capacitor. And another thing, I'm going to show you diodes. This one, this is a diode. This one, this is a diode. This is a diode. This is a diode. Another one. Let me show another one. This is a power supply diode. This is a diode. Another thing, I'm going to show you resistor. This is a resistor. Look, a resistor, a resistor, a resistor, a resistor, 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 resistor. Another thing is this one. This is a capacitor, the big one. Capacitor. This is a capacitor. This one is a transistor, but we have different type of transistors. So this one is a transistor. This one is a transistor. Alafu we have the smaller one. This one is a transistor. This one is a transistor. Anything else that we left, I don't think. So today I've been showing how to identify those parts. And another lesson, I'm going to show you how those things are function. Okay, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.